Hello again, HE Science students. This video is from Monday. If you're getting this through Edpuzzle, it's because you weren't in class. Our main goal today is the Tectonic Investigation 1. We've been working on this question, what's under our feet. We've talked a little bit about rocks and where some of those rocks come from. And so we're going to kind of dive in and look. So where you're going is down here under what's under our feet, and then these Lehigh tectonics investigations. We're kind of starting to dig a little bit deeper under our feet. And you're going to Investigation 1. I got some links in here. So as you're looking, the first one is the instruction sheet, which is embedded right here. So it's right there. You can follow the directions right in PowerSchool. You don't need to open anything. Skip over this printing one. That would just be if we were to print it off and do it in our notebook. We're not doing that because obviously I can't get it printed for you. But really we're going to this question sheet Google Doc and the student resources. So these are the two links you want to open up. The first one here, the student resource student sheet Google Doc looks like this. It's going to force you to make a copy. Please make a copy. Make sure you rename the document. Get rid of copy of, right? Put your last name in here. Make sure you move this to your science folder so that it's shared properly. And then this is the thing you want to turn in. So again, double check your sharing. Make sure my name's on the list. It should be if you moved it to your science folder correctly. And this is where you want to go, is copy the link. That's the link you need to turn in through the turn in form. So make sure you get this done and turned in. Now, it is very tempting to dive in and just start trying to answer these questions. Don't do it. All of these investigations, you have to follow the directions. So if you take a look at the directions here. Step 1 says, open your web browser and go to this website. Conveniently, this link right here, Student Resource GIS, takes you right here. Okay. Following the directions, step 2 says, click on Investigation 1, blah, blah. So it tells you what to click on. Anything, a button on the screen is going to be in bold. So click on Tectonics Investigation 1. Okay. And these directions are step by step. It tells you when to answer the questions, fill this out, which number to put it in, all of that. This is the only problem with the directions. Location sharing is not allowed on your device. So you will get an error that looks sort of like this. But it says location not provided, use the address locator. So it's telling you how to work around it. So hit OK, and we're going to find locations. And this is where you find my location, but again, that's disabled. So all you need to do is put an address. Do not use your address. If you wanted to use a very specific address, you can certainly use the school's address, 3601 12th Avenue, or just simply Moorhead, Minnesota. And that gets you close enough. And then hit find my address, and it should zoom you in and put a little blue dot. If it doesn't, step 1 is try to reload the page. Failing that, you need to actually shut down your computer. Click on the clock and hit the shut down button. If that doesn't fix issues for you, you could certainly do a hard reset, hold the reload button, and push the power key. Those are kind of the steps to try if things aren't working correctly for you in ArcGIS or in this GIS program. So please follow those and make sure you get that set up and rolling. Otherwise, follow the directions. So as you follow the directions, it now tells you what happened. It zoomed in and put a blue dot on your location. It did that for us. Okay, I'm on to step 2. It says click on Map Layer tab in the toolbar menu. So back, click on the Map Layer tab. Okay, so just follow the directions step by step. Click where it tells you to click and do what it tells you to do. Okay, and eventually it will tell you to do things like record this distance in kilometers on your investigation sheet. So it tells you when to answer the question. As you continue, it'll tell you like record the information on your investigation sheet number 3. So this is telling you where to put it. So follow the directions. Do not just simply go through this and try and answer the questions. It will not work. Google will not get you the answers to these. You need to actually use this program here, this GIS, to get your information, but follow the directions. As always, if you have questions on this or need help, please make sure you ask.